do you need help to edit or anything like that, or do you just need help from me? Well, I'm gonna teach you. So yeah. So I use iMovie. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna show you how to edit on iMovie. So just get like a video or something. So go here and just pick any video. I'm just gonna use wait. I'm just gonna use this one. So we got our video. So there's a few things. So if you click the video and you see this, you can zoom in, and yeah. And here, if you click the video, you see split, detach audio, duplicate, so speed and whatever. So if you want to zoom in, you want to split the video to where you want. Okay, and then do this, something like a split to where you want it. Yeah, and then you can zoom in like this. As you see, it's zoomed in. Then it zooms out. So if you will, yeah. So if you want to add a song, you'll need to like download it if you know how to do that. I'm just gonna use I guess this would work. Okay, now if we play it.
Hell, Breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there. I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away.
So it does that. But I'm not gonna use that. Oh no. Did I delete that? I'm not gonna use this song. I'm gonna just use this song. So yes. After that, what you could do, there's some other cool stuff. So if you make like you can make ear rapes. So you're gonna need to put a filter on, and it's duotone, and you're just gonna need a save it and then make a new project, add it, and make it louder. There's tutorials on that, and there's more stuff here. So if you wanna, you can just do this, and there's no volume. If you go into actions and detach audio, you get the audio from your game. Okay, here you can do like you can do like stuff like this. There's slide. That happens, and this one I never used. Okay, that effect, and you got none. Nothing. And there's dissolve, which well, let's just keep it like this for now. Well, so if you want a part to be gone that you don't want, click on split. And you have the choice to delete it if you want. And if you have a song, you're gonna need to delete it if it's long. So yeah, this was a terrible video, but I get lots of comments how you do videos like this. So yeah.